Let's do an exercise using dictionaries. Create a program with a predefined dictionary for a person. Include the following information about the person: name, gender, age, address, and phone. So like we did last time, you're going to start your program by creating a dictionary, and then you're going to add those properties and some values as an example. Then ask the user what information he wants to know about the person and print the value. So let's say the user types name, then you're going to have to print the value associated to the key name. Display an alternative message if the information can't be found. All right, good luck. When you're finished, come back here to see the solution. So we're going to start by creating a new variable called person, which will be a dictionary. So I asked you to create a name. So let's use John Green. Gender. All right, now let's ask the user what information he wants to know. So let's create a new variable that could be called key. And let's ask the user what information do you want to know about the person. Now let's create a new variable called, let's say, result. Then we're going to use the get method in that dictionary, so person.get. For the key, we're going to use the key variable we just created with the user input. And if we can't find it, we just write a message here. So let's write that information is not available. All right, let's save this and run. What information do you want to know about the person? Let's try name. Nothing happens. And why is that? It's because I didn't do anything with the result, because I'm stupid. So let's print the result. Let's run it again. And now let's ask for the name. And now we have the name back. Let's run it again. And now let's choose a property that doesn't exist. Let's say children. That information is not available, so our program is working fine. But now let me show you a problem that we are gonna have here. Let me run it again. What happens if the user types name like this? That information is not available. And why? This is because Python is case sensitive. If the user types it like this key is not going to be found, and this is not good. So how can we solve this problem? Let's go back to the program. Every time we work with user input to find something, we should make sure that what we're trying to find is in lowercase and the user input is also in lowercase to avoid this kind of problem. So our keys are already in lowercase. Now all we have to do is convert the user input to lowercase. So we can do that by using the lower method. So how can we do it? We can apply it here. After getting the input, we can apply it to any string, or we can apply it here. Let's just apply right after getting the input. So when this string is returned, we can use dot lower. And this method is going to transform the user input to lowercase. So let's try it out. Now, let me write it like this and see what happens. It doesn't matter how I write it, it's going to find the key. So our problem is solved. So there you have the solution for this exercise. If you have any questions, just leave it in the Q&A section. I'll see you in the next video.